West Vault Mining. We have a property down in Nevada, South Nevada. It's a gold property, obviously. Mid-size, a 1 million ounce resource. Many good features about the property itself, which we acquired in 2014 and have advanced to where it is now, which is ready to build. We're way beyond study stage. We just incidentally updated the most recent study. We released that last week, which gives a 51% IRR after tax. This is a very robust economic project. So it's there, it's all oxide. You can mine it right now, heap leach it. First blast is in ore, there's no pre-strip. It has lots of good features, but here's where it gets a little bit hard for us sometimes to get the message across. Unlike maybe 99% of other junior mining companies who are in this position, they would automatically, instinctively make the decision to raise money and construct. We have been ready to construct since 2017 and have chosen not to. And the reason we're doing this is, and this is the key message that any investor or would-be investor in West Vault should really understand. We don't drill, we don't build, we have something that is intrinsically very safe, very well understood. It's gold in the ground, and it's not going anywhere, and it gets more and more valuable as the price of gold goes up and the gold market cycle does what it does. So we're at 1925 today gold. You're going to wonder, everyone's wondering where gold is going to be in 2023. I think it entirely conceivable it'll be 2,500, maybe more. We'll see what happens, but we know that gold is going to have a bright future over the next near term. So we have rebranded our project. It used to be West Kirkland Mining. It's now called West Vault Mining because the gold is in a vault. It's safe. My boss, Peter Palmetto, president of Sun Valley Gold, $1 billion gold fund, he bought 46% of this company in the market in about 2017 because he saw the quality of it, and he said, as a shareholder, as a major shareholder, and therefore all shareholders, I can make more money safely by not building. So he took this big position so that he could say to anybody who is suggesting, let's go and build, no, I own 46% of the company and we're not going to do that. In the words of Rick Rule, he said, Peter Palmetto has brought adult management to the company. So that's the story. It's a great investment with the emphasis on investment. Speculative junior mining companies, they abound. God bless them. We need them. The industry needs them. Invest in them. They're risky, but they could go big. West Vault is not risky. It is genuinely an investment. Well, James, it's a great question. We're optimists. Everyone in gold mining is an optimist. We're strongly hoping that the gold cycle is going to keep going up, and there's lots of fundamental factors which would suggest that should happen. So that's for 2023. We go forward and hope. We've had a couple of things that have happened at the start of 2023. We just got a water right lease agreement. We announced a couple of weeks ago. We just did the pre-feasibility update. I did that a week ago. We've got something that'll be coming out sometime soon. So as we go through the year, we're going to keep being at the forefront of as many people's minds as we can, but without drilling. So that's our challenge. The gold cycle is going to be the big thing that we're watching, though. To be clear, we won't drill. What we would do if we were going to do anything would be to build, and it's about a 12-month construction period. What is more probable, and this isn't definite, but what is more probable, we would put this project into the hands of another company. So that would be the more likely outcome. Give it to somebody who's got the bench strength in the company, who had built mines before, they've got the team there, we don't. So I think that's how 2023 could come out. And then to your question, how quickly could it happen? In our experience with West Timmins, which went from about, I think it was about 20 cents to $2.40 back a number of years ago, that happened in the blink of an eye. There are Mag Silver, that was one of the other companies that we started a number of years ago, and that one ran pretty quickly as well when it started to run and we transferred ownership. So I think the key thing, it's a great question, we're not timing the market, and that's one of the fundamental things. We're patient, we're going to hold to our strategy, no one can push us around, no one can take a run at us because we're held 72% by institutions who are very supportive of this approach. So we're just going to bide our time, be patient, hope that 2023 is going to be the year that we have that happy moment for all our shareholders, myself included. I've bought a lot of shares in the market myself. I've got skin in the game, so I'm really committed to this strategy. But when it's going to happen, we don't know. Is it going to happen? We do know. It will happen. So we'll just wait. And that's why we call it the golden ground strategy.